my dad's graham cracker. And I took the last one. He's gonna kill me. But I don't care because I'm hungry. But I really love graham crackers. They're so good. So it's gonna get in my belly. I'm the cookie monster. I bite. I'm gonna shut up.
Fuck you, bitch.
No. Fuck you, bitch. Fuck you, bitch.
Fuck like me, he's second best.
You might be second best if you're lucky.
Shut up, bitch.
Fuck you and your graham cracker.
Hey! Don't talk about my graham cracker. We have problems.
Not good.
Not nigga.
Fuck your graham.
Quit free break my motherfucking viewer. It's already broke.
Yo, shit's broke.
Get your broke ass out here. She ain't cool. She just thinks she pimping. I'm pimping. I got the graham cracker. I'm pimping. Anyway.